Hey my lovely, come back to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make beef stew. Here are the beef which I'll be using in making this stew. So I'll go ahead now and season the beef. My seasoning, I have quite a number of items I use in seasoning this beef, which I will list in the description box below, so you go ahead and check them out. So after seasoning this beef, if you have the time, please marinate the beef to get more out of it. You know that marination makes the meat taste better, but due to time I couldn't marinate this. I went ahead to put them on fire to cook. So for some time now the beef has been cooking, so I'm going ahead now to add in some water, which will help the beef to complete the cooking. So right now the beef is already done, so I'm taking out all the beef from the pot. In another pot, I'll add in some vegetable oil, which I'll allow to heat up before frying the beef inside the oil. Now that the beef are all golden brown, I'll go ahead now and remove all of them for me to continue making the stew proper. So in another pot, taking back the oil I fried the beef in. After sieving the oil into the pot, I will allow the oil to gently heat up before adding in the chopped onions, which I'll allow to fry for about a minute or 2 minutes before adding in the other ingredients, which I'll be leaving in the description box for you guys to check them out. After adding all the spices, the thyme and the curry and the bay leaf, I have to allow them to fry in the oil to release all those good flavors. After that, I'm going ahead to add in the tomato paste, which I have. So I'll be frying this tomato paste until it does not taste sour. So here now, I've been frying this tomato paste for some time, and it's all fried. If you check out, even in my spoon, the stew is boiling. So at this point I know that the tomato is okay now for me, so I'll go ahead and add in the fresh tomato, which I will also fry for some time. After frying the tomato for some time and everything has combined well, I'll go ahead and add in back the fried beef and continue to fry them in the stew. In here, I'm just adding the blended pepper. After combining them, I'll go ahead and add the beef stock from the cooked beef and turn everything together to combine well. Here, I don't have enough beef stock, so I'll also be adding in some water to get the stew to the consistency which I love. So I'll add my seasoning cubes and my seasoning powder, after which I will adjust the water in the stew to get to the consistency which I like. So I don't want the stew very thick or very light, so I always like my stew to be in between, like it's not watery. You cannot say it's watery or you cannot say it's thick. So I'm adjusting the water, after which I add salt and cover the pot and allow everything to cook together. Guys, you have your delicious beef stew ready, which you can enjoy with rice, yam, spaghetti, noodles, or anything you choose to enjoy your stew with. Yes, some people enjoy stew with eba swallow, so you can go ahead and enjoy this stew with whatever you have chosen that goes well with your stew. If you're my returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for always coming by to watch my videos. And if you're new here, I also welcome you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for taking interest in my videos to watch them. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Like the video. It will help my channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you in my next. Bye.